Good morning. I had all sorts of plans for today, thinking like it's gonna be a morning that I'm home, so I could go for a walk, I could have a brunch at a park. I woke up to the craziest rainstorm. I put on workout clothes regardless of how terrible the weather looks. I'm gonna still have a day. I may not be able to go on a picnic, brunch with myself, but regardless, we're gonna do something nice. First struggle is to do my laundry. There wasn't any more room in the laundry basket, so we have been just going up. We're gonna go have a brunch at Danny's, and we're gonna go to a gym. The plan is so far, and there's a lunar celebration. Might happen, might not, because the rainstorm is really massive right now. So that's the plan for the morning. Right now there is a frog that showed up in our garage, and Josh is trying to kick it out. We're in the car waiting for him. I think we're gonna go get breakfast. We may not go to the gym. We might just go see if the lunar event is happening, and he has a poster for a photography event that he's hosting. We might just stop by a couple coffee shops to share it with the owners, see if we can get permission to have it presented at their coffee shop to gather people's attention. But I'll take you along. We're gonna be flexible and see what the day looks like for us. We got home, so I have 2 hours to do my Chinese homework, to pack up and eat, and to head out to meet my friends at a coffee shop. We're gonna do some craft work. So for lunch, I found some leftover food. This is a chili. I packed to go to work and I didn't eat it, so I brought it home. This is a sandwich with honey mustard sauce, and then I just made some jasmine tea. I realized my nails is in a bad shape. This right hand is okay, but then left kind of came off. So I'm gonna do my nails. I have acetone and then some cotton pads, and I'm using this color this time. I'm thinking of using all my dark shades before there's spring, so I get them out, have a chance to use them all before spring comes in. So for my beanie project, I picked out this yarn that I already had, and I wanted to show you just in case if you've been interested to start knitting, crocheting, you didn't know how to start. The label of the yarn that you pick has a lot of information. So for instance, in this one it tells you if you want to knit a hat, you would need just one of this. If you're going to do a scarf for project 2, a jacket or a blouse would be 7 of them, so you know how many to purchase. Over here it has some information about how to wash it, and also here it tells you the sizes of the crochet or the knit. So for crochet it says 5, and for knit is 5.5. And here is what I'm gonna pick. I'm not sure if I'm gonna knit or crochet. I know how to knit, I don't know how to crochet, but I'll bring both. I'm going to start to see what's comfortable for me, if I'm able to crochet faster or knit faster. So, yep. I forgot to mention the sizes is usually written on the, what do you call it? The crochet thing. I don't have a 5, but I have a 6, so sometimes I can get by. So I'm going to try that. I just got home. I got something in the mail. I'm gonna open it. Today was great. It's really nice to sit down and work on a project. I really forgot what that feels like. So I was there for 3 hours, though I don't have much of confidence on my project because first of all, not many people showed up. It was only 3 of us, and we didn't know much about crocheting, so I tried to watch a YouTube video, and it was hard because I didn't have much of a help to see if I'm doing the thing right. So I got 2 rows of the beanie. I wanted to make a hat. 2 rows of it, and it's kind of like twisting, so it's not coming straight up. I don't know if it's supposed to be this way or I got it wrong, so I don't know if I should open it or keep going up with the project. That's the question. I got this. It's a cushion, ergonomic cushion for my seat. Somebody recommended it. Not this brand. I was just looking for something that I could potentially put in on my chair that I sit in and work, and supposedly helps with your sitting structure. So we're gonna give this a try. So yeah, I'll show you my project. You'll see how little hope I have for this thing. So 2 rows of crocheting, it's all twisted. So I don't know how this is gonna make into a beanie, starting off being all twisted anyway. We're gonna go try this upstairs, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna change into the outfit of comfort, a pajama, and just go to bed. I promise I'm gonna show you my project. Is this supposed to be twisting this much? I'm making a beanie. Is this supposed to be twisting? Isn't it not supposed to be going straight up? Did I make a mistake of making way too many? You know, it's not the same numbers. I think that might be my problem. That some of these rows I have more than what I had to, and I feel like that's probably why it just started twisting into a snake. Ay, ay, ay. to properly say goodnight. Just took a shower and putting my skincare products. I've learned to do this thing where I just put a whole bunch of things on my face and then come to my bed and massage it. It's so nice. And I don't even know if all of these products are really effective, except for helps with the texture of the skin, to make it a little bit more even. But it's just part of making it a routine that makes you feel so good. You feel like you smell so good, you're soft. Anyways, thank you so much for spending your precious time and following my vlog today. If you've gotten to this far, I appreciate you watching my videos. It makes me so happy to know that you're out there. And with that, I wish you an amazing day, night, whatever time of the day you are watching, and I'll see you on the next video.